Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add tag post manually on Facebook timeline. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then simply tap on the three dashboard available in the bottom right corner. Then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then inside settings and privacy, tap on settings. Then inside settings, scroll down till you find profile and tagging option. Then in audience and visibility, you can see profile and tagging. Tap on it. After you tap on profile and tagging, scroll down and see the option reviewing. Here you can see review tag people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. Simply enable it. So what happens if someone who you are not friends with adds a tag to your post, you will still be asked to review it, and you can choose if they want to see that video on your timeline or not. Then simply enable the another feature in review as well. Review post you are tagged in before the post appears on your profile. And that is it. By following these steps, you can manually add tagged posts to your Facebook timeline and curate your timeline content as desired. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching.